Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make milkshake dairy milk easy method. Measure ingredients and pre-chill milk and ice cream before blending. Use a blender set to low first, then increase speed to avoid splashes. Taste and adjust consistency with more milk or ice cream. Add flavorings or sweeteners gradually and finish with a quick pulse for froth. Pour into a chilled glass and enjoy with a straw or spoon. Keep ingredients simple and high quality for the best results. Whole milk adds body while premium ice cream provides concentrated flavor and creaminess. A small pinch of salt balances sweetness and brings out nuance in chocolate or vanilla. If using syrups or extracts, add sparingly to avoid overpowering the base. Fresh fruit can be blended for natural flavor, but reduce milk slightly to maintain thickness. Technique matters more than fancy gadgets for a great milkshake. Start low to combine, then ramp up for a smooth finish without overworking the mix. For a thicker dessert-style shake, add more ice cream or frozen fruit. For a drinkable shake, add milk by the tablespoon until it reaches the right pour. Experiment with mix-ins like cookies or peanut butter, adding them slowly to keep control of texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.